Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to episode 3 of my Innovation Makeup series. Today, I will be sharing a great foundation trick that will give your skin a highlight-like glow without the need for highlighter. But before I start with the makeup, I will first go through my skincare routine, which includes moisturizer, primer, and sunscreen. Next, I will apply some white paint under my eyes and forehead and blend it in with a sponge. Now, I will apply my MAC foundation cream. This technique will give you a flawless and glowing finish, and you won't need to use a concealer for any dark spots or pigmentation. I will also teach you how to achieve a simple, no makeup look with contouring on your forehead and light hands. The next trick I will teach you is how to use pink powder instead of yellow to give your skin a pinkish glow. If you don't have pink powder, you can easily make it at home by mixing a pink matte color with your compact highlighter. It's so amazing and so easy. Once you have applied the pink color to your zone, you can move on to your eye makeup. And then I apply a blush on. I use this pink blush on my cheeks, not orange. And then I pick a little bit highlighter on my finger and smudge in the highlighter and apply highlighter on my fingers, not the brush. Next, Maya's makeup is done. If you like Maya's makeup, so I make a video, write the comments below. If you have long eyelashes, you can simply use mascara. Otherwise, you can apply false eyelashes for a more dramatic look. To complete this simple makeup look, I will apply a light lipstick. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And then I apply setting spray. You can see easily I switch on my ring light and you can easily see differences. Foundation technique. I hope you like my videos. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments. all I have is